Welcome back. This is Self-Care with Brod. I'm Broderick, and today we're going to be doing the high fade. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to prep and comb out my hair. I want to identify where the edge is on my hair. Then go to the back and make your incision wherever you choose it to be. You're going to meet those 2 points on the side of your head, and it's going to look a little bit like this. Now my next step, I'm going to do my number 1 guard open. And I'm going to go about 2 levels up. And I'm not going to go all the way to the front. I'm going to go right to that middle point, about right there. Now I'm going to open my clipper. I'm going to go right in the middle between that first bald line and the second line that we made with our 1 guard open. Now I'm going to close the clipper with my number 1 guard and fade the middle and the back of my head. Now we're going to do the same method with the number 1 guard all the way around, going on both sides with and against the grain. I'm going to use the 1.5 guard now to blend it to the top. And now I'm going to blend to the front while opening and closing my clipper. Number 2 guard now to blend the longer hair and get the bulk out, because right now my hair is about number 3 on top. Blend out the front. You're going to open your clipper and use the corner edge of your clipper blade. Lightly tap the sides and lightly tap the back of it. And then when you get down to the bottom, you're going to close the clipper and you're going to keep doing that same process. Keep opening and closing until you see that fade line go out. Use the 1/16 guard, or you can open your clipper and go with the grain for the same results. But the 1/16 guard is probably one of the best guards when you're doing this cut, because it blends all the space in between the bald line into that 1 guard seamlessly. Use a trimmer to take out the remaining line. Now use your trimmer to gut out that bottom. Now I'm going to use my Babyliss FX foil shaver. This shaver is the best, I promise you guys. It will really do a good job with cutting all the stubble out your hair, and it doesn't leave razor bumps or ingrown hairs. Now you can just do the lineup. Always start in the middle. And we don't really have to do too much on the side because the sides are balded out since this is a high fade. And no cut is complete without using the UJjayi balm and serum. Products are very good and natural for keeping your hair healthy, and it also helps your hair grow back stronger and better. And that is how I do my high fade. Thank you guys for watching. This is Self-Care with Brod. Like, subscribe, share, and I'll see you guys next time.